Welcome to A-Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted photos from your phone. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Photos app. After opening it, you'll see a menu at the bottom. Tap on the Collections option. Once you're in Collections, look towards the top of the screen, you'll see an option called Trash. Tap on Trash. Now, if any of your photos were deleted within the last 7 days, you'll find them here, and you can recover them directly from this section. However, if the deleted photos are older than 7 days, here's what you need to do next. Go to the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Photo Recovery and search. You'll see a few apps. Choose one that looks reliable and has good ratings. You might see something like File Recovery or similar. Open the app, and select Scan Deleted Files. This will scan your phone for all the photos that were deleted, even older ones. Once the scan is complete, you'll be able to see all those deleted photos. To recover a photo, just tap on it. Then, at the top of the screen, you'll see a Recover option. Tap on that. As soon as you tap Recover, the photo will be restored and saved in your phone's gallery. So that's how you can recover deleted photos on your phone using this method. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.